Welcome to Qualla Village, a 57-home neighborhood inside the gates of Connestee Falls just outside of Brevard, North Carolina. 158 South Setsi is a uniquely upgraded home and the only Lakeview unit in Qualla Village. The owners of this unit custom designed it in 2007. They picked the best site in Qualla Village and they chose many upgrades that create a sense of luxury and ease of living. Qualla Village is known for its top-notch construction and great layouts. This unit is also equipped with hardwood floors, large skylights, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and custom-made closets and pantries. Enjoy a fire in the living room in the winter and spend your afternoons on the screened-in porch in the spring. This 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, almost 2,200 square foot home looks over Lake Ticoa, and the back porch is only about 100 feet from the water. Take a short walk to the shared dock to fish, swim, or take your kayak out to explore the lake. As an owner in Connestee, you also have access to 6 waterfalls, 4 lakes totaling over 230 acres of lake frontage, an 18-hole designer golf course, pickleball, tennis, pool facilities, and multiple top-notch food and beverage options. In addition, the residents of Qualla Village enjoy private lake access with 2 boat docks, community watercraft, and the association provides scheduled maintenance services for decks, driveways, and home exteriors. If you're looking for a property with great access to the lake and the low maintenance and ease of living that Qualla Village offers, this is the property for you. Come see what your life could look like at 158 South Setsi Lane in the mountain paradise of Connestee Falls.